Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue the lesson A Crow in the House. Okay. In the last period, you know that the crow is familiar with the author's family. He is feeling very safe with them. Okay. So quickly, I'll just revise what we have done. The young crow had fallen from its nest and was fluttering about on the road in danger of being crushed by a cart or tanga or seized by a cat. When I picked it up, I brought it home. It was in a sorry condition. It was very in sorry condition. It was in poor condition. The crow having injury, okay, and big gapping and head dropping. His beak is gapping and head is dropping, and we did not expect it to lie because वो गया था वैसे ही था because he is too weak. He is in very poor condition. So, but grandfather and I did our best to bring it round. We fed it by prising its beak gently with a pencil and pushing it a little bread and milk, and then removing the pencil to allow to it swallow. We varied this diet with occasional doses of grandmother's homemade plum wine. Okay, so whatever the grandmother's dishes plum wine there, so we have given that crow, and as a result, the young crow was on the road to the recovery. Yeah, so he is getting the proper nourishment, proper treatment, whatever he wants, and he became on the road to the recovery. He was offered his freedom, but he did not take it. So उसको फ्रीडम था कि वो उड़ के भी जा सकता था जहां उसको जाना है, जंगल में जाना है, रहना है. Okay, so 1 minute. He was offered freedom, but he did not take it. He just want to go anywhere. So author allow him. He given him freedom. ऐसे नहीं कि पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया, जेल में रख दिया, जाना नहीं है कहाँ पे. Okay, so he had given freedom, but he did not accept it. He did not take it. Instead, he made himself at home in the house. So instead of that, he liked to live with the family members. The crow, see, bird crow, because he know that they are very, what we can say, they are very good in nature. They are very friendly. Okay, they take care of him when he was in a very poor condition. They give him, they fed with him proper nourishment. Okay, they take care of him, everything. So he became very, he recovered in a very small period of time. Okay, so grandmother, Aunt Mobile, and even some of the grandfathers paid objective. So grandmother ने भी object किया और अदर पेट थे उन्होंने भी ऑब्जेक्शन लिया कि ये क्रो को यहाँ घर में नहीं रखना है. Okay, so they objected on that, but there was no way of getting rid of the bird. He took over the administration of the house. We were not sure that he was male. Sure नहीं थे कि वो male है, female है, don't know. So they were not sure. But we called him Kesser. उसका नाम कैसर रख दिया. We called him Kesser. Before long, Kesser was going us at meal times beside finding his own grubs or beetles in the garden. So garden में उड़ता था, जाता था. Beetles जो भी है छोटे-छोटे insects रहते हैं. So he can take them in his beak. वो butterfly, beetle छोटे-छोटे कीड़े रहते हैं, तो वो garden में जाके वो beak में लेके आता. So he danced about on the dining table. Crow dance करता था डाइनिंग टेबल पे. ओके, सो एंड गिव अस नो पीस अंटिल ही हैड गिवन हिज स्मॉल बाउल. जब तक कि उसको वो स्मॉल बाउल उसमें ब्रेड और वो खाना नहीं मिलता तब तक कि वो डाइनिंग टेबल पे डांस करता था और घूमते रहता था. Until he had been given his small bowl of meat and soup or vegetables. He was always restless, fidgeting about, investigating things. He would hop across a table to empty a matchbox. of its content or rip the daily paper to shreds or overturn a vase of flour. Vase of flour था उसको turn कर देता, overturn. और tug at the tail of the dogs. Dog की tail के ऊपर जाके tug वहां पे जाके बैठता था और वो ऐसे बिग सी ये करता था. That crow will be the ruin of us. Grumbled grandmother, picking marigolds of the carpet. Can't you keep him in a cage? So grandmother वो बिल्कुल उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So she is saying keep him in a cage. उसको पिंजरे में बंद कर दो. We did try keeping Kaiser in a cage. उन्होंने try भी किया. So they try to keep him in the cage, but he was so angry. He was so aggressive. He was so angry. And objected with such a fierce cawing, flapping, जोरदार पंख करके, जोरदार काव करके वो objection देता था कि I don't want to go in the cage. I just want to live in this home very freely. Okay, freedom चाहिए था उसको, cage में नहीं रहना चाहता था. So that it was better for our nerves and peace of mind to give him run of the house. वो हमारे पीस ऑफ माइंड के लिए, हमारे माइंड के लिए, शांति के लिए अच्छा था कि उसको घर पे छोड़ दो वैसे ही फ्रीली. सो वो क्रो कहाँ भी घूम सके. ओके, या he did not show any inclination to join the other crows in a banyan tree. banyan tree में बाहर में banyan tree में बहुत सारे क्रो थे, लेकिन उसने कभी भी ऐसे दिखाया नहीं कि मुझे जाके वहां पे ज्वाइन होना है उनके साथ, क्रो के साथ. He just want to live with the family members in the house. So he was very satisfied. He was very free. But it seemed me that Kaiser, having grown used to living with the humans on equal terms, had become snobbish and did not wish to mix with his own kind. His own kind, other जो क्रो थे उसके साथ उसको मिक्स होने को अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था. So he is not mixing with the other crow, other bird, whatever. He would even squabble with Harold the Hornbill, perching on the top of the Harold's cage. जो Harold का केज था वहां पे he would peck at his big bird's feet, whereupon Harold would swear and scold and try to catch Caesar through the bars. In time, Caesar learned to talk a little as ravens sometimes do in a crashed, throaty voice. He would sit for hours outside the window, banging on the glass with his beak and calling, "Hello, hello." He seemed recognized to click the gate when सो बाहर बालकनी में वो विंडो के पास रहता था, जहां पे वो विंडो को ग्लास थी, वहां बिग से वो टक 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 ऐसी पर्टिकुलर आवाज करता था. आज जब भी ऑथर आते थे वो गेट का आवाज है तो वो समझ जाता था कि दैट ही इज कमिंग, वो आ रहे हैं. सो ये बर्ड होता है, पैरेट भी, जिनके अगर पैरेट है, सो दे पैरेट नो कि कौन आ रहा है, तो वो पर्टिकुलर वॉइस निकाल के उसको बुलाता है. सो ही नो दैट, द बर्ड्स नो दैट हु इज देयर. I came from school and I would come to the door with a hop, skip, jump, saying hello, hello. I had also taught him to sit on my arm. मैंने उसको अपने आर्म में कैसे बैठना है वो भी सिखाया था, क्रो को, लाइक पैरेट. पैरेट भी बैठते हैं ना. So he taught him how to sit on his arm. Hello, hello. I had also taught him to sit on my arm and say kiss, kiss, while he placed his head gentle against my mouth. ऐसे बैठ के माउथ की तरफ वो बिग करता था. One of my Aunt Mabel's visit, Caesar alighted on her arm and cackled kiss, kiss. Aunt Mabel was delighted and possibly flattered and leaned forward for a kiss, but Cassie's attention shifted to my aunt's gleaming spectacles. Aunt Mabel आए, उनके पास वो गया और उनको भी वैसे ही करने लगा. So, but अचानक उसका अटेंशन कहा गया आंट मोबेल की स्पेक्टेकल्स की, चश्मे की. ओके, and thrashing at them with his beak, he knocked them off. Aunt Mabel never was a success with the pets. So Aunt Mabel को ऐसे पेट के साथ ज्यादा रहना इतना अच्छा नहीं. Pet or pest? Grandmother insisted that Kesar was a pest in spite of his engaging habits. If he had restricted his activities to our own house, it would have not seemed so bad. But he took to visiting neighboring houses and stealing pens, pencil, hair ribbons, combs, keys, शटलॉक. वो क्या करता था, नेबर के हाउस में जाके वो क्रो चोरी करता था इन द सेंस, उसको कैसे पता चोरी, वो बिग में उठा के एक एक चीज लाता था. सो उसने ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें जमा की थी. उसमें पेन्स थे, पेंसिल थे, हेयर रिबन्स थे, कोम्स, कीज, शटलकॉक, टूथब्रशेस एंड फॉल्स टिप. ही वाज स्पेशली फॉन्ड ऑफ टूथब्रशेस. उसको वो क्रो को टूथब्रश अपने बिग में लेके आना बहुत पसंद था. तो सी इन द पिक्चर उसने कितना जमाया था. सी लुक एट हियर, ये क्रो वो लाता है ये सारी चीजें, और यहाँ पे देखो सारी चीजें वो एक एक नेबर के घर से उठा के, खिड़की में से उठा के लाता था. So in his beak, so he gathered all these things, and especially he fond of toothbrush. उसको टूथब्रश इतना अच्छा लगता था, वो बीक में अपने टूथब्रश लेके आता था और अंदर लगे रखता था. So he was especially fond of toothbrush and made a collection of them on top of the cupboard in my room. कबर्ड के टॉप में, ऑथर के रूम में कबर्ड का टॉप था, वहां पे वो उसका कलेक्शन किया था. इतने टूथब्रश उसने जमा किए थे वो क्रो ने. So most of the neighbors were represented in our house by a toothbrush. Toothbrush sales went up that year. ऐसे करके टूथब्रश का सेल ही लग गया उनके घर में. वो क्रो ने एक एक टूथब्रश उठा के वहां पे लाके रख दिए. तो इतने बड़े टूथब्रश जमा हो गए, उन्होंने उसका सेल ही लगा दिया एक साल वो घर में. So toothbrush sales went up that year. So did grandmother's blood pressure. ग्रैंडमदर का ऑब्वियसली ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ गया क्योंकि उसने सारे नेबर के टूथब्रश उठा के यहाँ पे ले. Scazers spied on children going into the बनिया's shop and often managed to snatch sweets from them. So जो बनिया की शॉप में जाते थे बच्चे, उनके पास से वो स्वीट यानी छीन के लाता था. So cloth pigs fascinated him. Neighbors would return from the bazaar to find their washing line in the mud. No sign of the pegs. These two found their way to top of my cupboard. So सारी चीजें जो भी कबर्ड के टॉप में मिलते हैं. It was Kazer's gardening activities that finally led to disaster. इसकी वो क्या थी, गार्डनिंग एक्टिविटी थी, लेकिन फाइनली क्या हुआ, डिजास्टर हुआ, बहुत बड़ा धमाका, डिजास्टर. We can say problem. He was helping himself to our neighbor's beans when a stick was flung at him, breaking his leg. I carried the unfortunate bird home, and grandfather and I washed and bagged his leg as best we could. But it would not mend. Kazer hung on his head and no longer talked. He grew weaker day by day. तो डे बाय डे क्या हो गया था, उसकी जो स्ट्रॉन्ग वो वीक होते जा रहा था. ओके, सो डे बाय डे ही बिकेम वीक, रिफ्यूजिंग टू ईट, खाना नहीं खाता था कुछ भी. डे बाय डे ऐसे करके वो वीक होते जा रहा था. An occasional sip of grandmother's homemade wine was all that kept him going. So कभी-कभी occasionally grandmother ने जो भी बनाया था homemade wine वो लेता था. One morning I found him dead on the sofa. एक दिन सुबह होते वो मर गया, सोफे पे डेड हो गया था. So he just lying on the sofa. So author को दिखा वो, his legs stiff in the air. पैर उसका ऐसे एयर में था, ऐसे पूरा stiff in the air. Poor Kazer, his antisocial habits had led to his early end. Antisocial, ये सोशल नहीं था, किसी के घर से कुछ लाता था, छीन के लाता था, ऐसे कुछ ये करता था, इसलिए उसका एंड जल्दी हुआ, ऐसे ऑथर का कहना. I dug a shallow grave in the garden. So गार्डन में एक पूरा बड़ा सा ऑथर ने क्या किया, खड्डा बोलते ना, तो वो क्रो को दफनाने के लिए. So I dug a shallow grave यानी बड़ा ऐसे डीप वाला खड्डा किया in the garden and buried him there. और उसको वहां पे दफना दिया and buried him there along with all the toothbrushes, क्योंकि टूथब्रशेस उसको बहुत पसंद थे. So all the toothbrushes also dug there in the grave with that crow and with that castle or crow and cloth pegs, cloth के वो जो pegs भी थे, cloth pegs चिमटे जो रहते ना वो. He had taken so much trouble to collect. उसने ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारी मेहनत की थी टूथब्रश कलेक्ट करने में और क्लोथ के पेग्स कलेक्ट करने में. सो वॉट एवर ही लाइक, सो ऑथर ने उसके साथ वो दफना दिया था. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी, अ क्रो इन द हाउस. ओके, सो see what early end, one line is there, early end हुआ क्रो का. Why early end? Because of his antisocial activities. कहीं से पे जाना, कहीं से भी कुछ उठा के लाना, किसी को स्नैच करना, क्लोथ पिक्स कलेक्ट करना, टूथब्रश कलेक्ट करना, जो भी चिल्ड्रन जाते थे बाहर शॉप में उनके हाथ से स्वीट ये लेना. सो ये these are the bad habits. These are the bad habits. That's why early end is there. Understood? So it is see, it is very important how you behave with everyone. How is your behavior? So that is really important. So in that case of crows, his activities is the reason for his early end here, according to the author. Understood? So here we will finish this lesson, a crow in the house. In next period, we will going to start its question answers. And yeah, what is your homework? Your homework is read this lesson. Okay, read the lesson. Go and search the new words. Okay, read the lesson very carefully. Each and every pronunciation is important. That's why read it carefully. Search the new words. Search its meaning. Write down. You can write in rough copy also. Okay. So this is your homework. And tomorrow we will start its question answers. Okay. So we'll stop here. Bye.